Hello friends, we have discussed about semiconductor. We have to discuss about semiconductor. You know that the semiconductor is of two types: pure semiconductor, impure semiconductor. Pure semiconductor have another name which is intrinsic semiconductor, and impure have extrinsic semiconductor. In pure semiconductor, number of electrons and number of holes is purely equally, and in case of extrinsic semiconductor, there is number of holes. There is two types of which is p type and n type semiconductor. P type semiconductor is formed by the trivalent impurities is added to the silicon material, and n type semiconductor is formed by the pentavalent impurities doped inside the pure semiconductor. In case of p-type semiconductor, there is a more number of holes against the number of electrons. It means the minority charge carrier in p-type semiconductor is electrons, and majority charge carrier in p-type semiconductor is majority charge carrier in p-type semiconductor is holes. In another side, we have n-type semiconductor, in which number of holes is less than number of electrons inside the semiconductor, and we said this in another form, like majority charge carrier in n-type semiconductor is electrons, and minority charge carrier in n-type semiconductor is holes. In case of both p-type and n-type semiconductor, both are electrically neutral. Now we going to discuss about the p-n junction, which is formed by the separated p-type and n-type semiconductor, in which in between one depletion layer is created by left some holes left from the n side to p side, and some electrons moves from the p type to n type.